Finishing up the Subaru. We got most of the harness pretty much in the car. Took me a little bit to get steering column all lined up in there. Have to figure out a couple plugs over there, get a couple things linked up over here. Pretty much just plugging everything in. There's a couple snippets of the harness, so I'm gonna set the camera down, get everything going. We have to finish up the wiring harness today, put the interior back in the car, and we'll be able to test drive and bring you guys along for the first ride in it. We have to put some coolant in it, put the intercooler on, hook up one radiator hose, yada yada yada. So I'm gonna set the camera down, we're gonna start finishing up on this. Everything's mainly hooked up now. Look at that. Wires ran to the back for the fuel sender. Now I'm gonna slide the dash in. The wires are tucked to the firewall. Gonna set the dash in now and start hooking everything back up. So as you can see, the RS interior is completely in. All I have to do pretty much left is I have to install the intercooler, plug up the last two O2 sensors, and change the oil and put coolant in this thing. Oh yeah, and install the AC lines. But besides that, we're really close to a test fire. It's getting dark right now, and so I'm gonna call it for tonight. So tomorrow we'll be back at it, going ahead and at it again. Trying to finish this thing up tomorrow, hopefully first test start tomorrow, so stay tuned and we'll continue on tomorrow. If this is a separate video, please like, share, and subscribe. If not, if it's in the same one, I'll cut this out so it don't matter. So anyway, thanks as always for watching, and follow us on all social medias. Reworks out.